For decades, computer viruses and worms spread from computer to computer. They exploited software bugs, copied themselves, and caused problems across networks. But today, technology is changing. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of our email, our documents, our search tools, and even our everyday conversations. That has led researchers to ask an important question. Could AI itself become part of a self-spreading attack? Today on Zyber, we're looking at a research project called Morris 2, what it is, what it isn't, and why cybersecurity experts are paying attention. No fear, just clarity. Before we talk about Morris II, let's quickly understand the word worm. Unlike many traditional viruses, a worm doesn't always need someone to manually copy or share it. Its goal is to spread by itself. One of the most famous examples was the original Morris worm back in 1988. It spread across parts of the early internet, much faster than anyone expected, showing the world how quickly connected computers could affect one another. Morris II takes its name from that piece of cybersecurity history, but that's where many of the similarities end. Morris II wasn't designed to spread between ordinary computers the way older worms did. Instead, it explored something much newer. What happens when AI systems become connected to other tools? Today, many AI assistants can search documents, summarize emails, interact with cloud storage, or connect to other services. Researchers wanted to understand whether those connections could create entirely new security challenges. Instead of focusing on software bugs, they explored how AI-powered systems might be manipulated to pass along unwanted instructions between connected applications. This is probably the most important part of the story. Researchers did not create Morris II to attack people. They built it inside controlled research environments. When to answer an important question. If AI becomes more connected to the technology we use every day, what kinds of security problems should we prepare for now? Cybersecurity research often works this way. Researchers discover weaknesses before criminals do, so companies have time to improve their defenses. It's much easier to fix tomorrow's problems today than after they become real attacks. Stories about AI can sometimes sound dramatic, so let's slow things down. Morris II does not mean AI assistants are secretly infected. It does not mean AI worms are spreading across the internet, and it does not mean every AI tool is suddenly dangerous. This was a research demonstration. Its purpose was to show developers what could become possible as AI systems grow more connected. Understanding future risks helps build stronger protections. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of more and more technology. Email, documents, customer support, search tools, productivity apps. As these systems gain more abilities, security has to evolve too. Every major technology creates new questions. The internet did, smartphones did, cloud computing did. Now AI is creating the next generation of cybersecurity challenges. That doesn't mean we should fear the technology, it means we should build it responsibly. If there's one lesson from Morris II, it's this. Cybersecurity is always changing. Researchers aren't just protecting us from today's threats. They're studying what tomorrow's threats might look like. That work helps companies, developers, and security teams build better systems before those risks become everyday problems. Morris II isn't really a story about a dangerous AI worm. It's a story about asking the right questions before technology moves forward. As AI becomes more capable, security has to grow with it, and that's exactly what good cybersecurity research is meant to do. Understanding tomorrow's risks today helps create a safer future for everyone.
Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Here in Cyber, we show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Stay smart, stay secure. This has been Z. Till next time.